Take it, Max. I have enough health.
No.
I only need one stack. I have
Max taking it
over
now.
300k health with one stack.
Taking the blade into me. Squeaks going.
Right here, coming in.
Next one is Nick. Then Gunny.
Already there.
And then blade into me.
Healer swap when Max is full. Nitro heal Max.
Yeah. Max blade soon.
Okay, this one's mine.
Decimation blade heal Max up. Soaking first.
Right here. Go, go, go.
Take it, thanks.
Next one spawns is Gunny.
Middle of the raid move.
Blades into Zephyr.
Heal Max. You don't like me. Res me please.
Taking
That, use it. And continue.
Huh? Do I need to rest you?
Yes.
Okay. I just dodged the whole row of decimation blade, lol. How pro is that?
Buff me up please.
Healer swap or what?
Yes.
Already.
Johnny heal the tank.
Take it, Gunny.
Blazing's got the debuff again.
Okay, I'll take the next one. Blades is
Can you? I've got 14
Buff
seconds
kings
till
when you
mine.
can
I'll come in and
ask.
take it. Okay,
Healer swap again, Aski go back to the
Fine.
tank.
Just heal me up. Keep me healed, guys. Tell me when it's gone.
yeah. I can take it now. Go.
I can take it after Squigs again.
And Nitro mix go back to Ted. Nitro mix go back to Ted.
Nick, did you get a debuff?
No.
Take it, take it, Nick,
Cool,
take it.
take it.
Gunny,
Gunny, get ready. Gunny, get ready.
and then blazings.
Papier. Papier now.
Ouch. That was my bad, that was bad.
This one's mine.
I'm here.
If it's decimation blade, Husky might be able to taunt and bubble.
I just critted a 240k.
Taunt. Aski.
And then bubble. Oh, no bubble. Why didn't you bubble? Oh, lol. It must have been too late. The thing must have run out. But at least Max survives now. He's not killing everyone and we can still do it.
Take it, blazing after.
Nick, be ready to kite. Well, Squigs actually.
No,
Well, dispersion for the win, right? Might save you a couple of seconds.
He's dead anyway.
Husky is a hero. He really is.